Health and Human Services Secretary Robert Kennedy Jr. has stirred new controversy after declaring that federal health agencies have not had any true success in decades. Speaking in an interview with Fox and Friends on Sunday, Kennedy argued that deep ties to pharmaceutical companies have weakened public trust and driven what he described as a series of bad decisions. Asked to name the last major success of agencies like Centers of Disease Control and Prevention or the Food and Drug Administration, Kennedy responded blunt, and I quote, "I don't think there have been successes," end of quote. He pointed to the opioid crisis as one of the most damaging failures, saying it grew out of regulators' willingness to blow to industry interests. According to Kennedy, the Trump administration intended to restore health agencies to what he called gold standard science. He said, and I quote, "What we want to do now is put an end to it, to end those corrupting entanglements with the pharmaceutical industry and make this again a science agency that is protecting the American public," end of quote. His comment came just days after a heated Senate Finance Committee hearing where both Democrats and Republicans pressed him on his history of vaccine skepticism and his surprise decision to dismiss newly appointed CDC Director Dr. Susan Marais. Kennedy said the hearing was more political drama than serious oversight. He said, and I quote, "Those hearings are performative. They are theater. They are not the kind of open conversation democracy deserves," end of quote. Kennedy has faced growing backlash over his leadership style. More than 1,000 current and former HHS employees signed a letter last week calling for his resignation, accusing him for putting the nation's health at risk. The letter pointed to Monterey's firing, the wave of resignation that followed, and his choice to elevate what critics describe as political loyalty into powerful role shaping vaccine policy. Employees also criticized his decision to cancel emergency authorization for COVID-19 vaccines without providing data to support the move. Still, Kennedy had defended his reshuffling at the top of CDC. He told Fox News, and I quote, "We need new blood and we need new people who are committed to public health and integrity," end of quote. He promising that Trump administration would ensure accountability. Kennedy also commented on the reports that upcoming HHS review may link Tylenol use during pregnancy to autism. He's saying the findings were still preliminary and warned against jumping to conclusions before the evidence is fully analyzed. He said, and I quote, "Any speculation about what's in their report at this point is speculative," end of quote. Meanwhile, the CDC has received high-profile backing from global health leaders. On Sunday, World Health Organization Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom praised the CDC as invaluable. He credited the agency with shaping best practice worldwide and even inspiring the creation of African-owned CDC. The sharp divide over Kennedy's leadership highlighted the broader struggle over the future of America's public health system, whether it will be reshaped under his watch or fractured by growing mistrust.